Hello students, our energetic, talent and hardworking students. Welcome here to DSM College. Today I am going to start here one of the important chapter of that chemistry, from that organic chemistry particularly, that is basic principles of organic chemistry. Now it is the chapter number 14th. Now open your textbook of 11th, see that chapter 14th. Now before starting this chapter, just I will give some general information about the chemistry. Here chemistry, it has total weightage of 100 marks in 12th board examination. Now here, out of that 100 marks, there is a theory paper. Theory paper that is of 70 marks, and here practical examination, practicals of 30 marks. Practicals, the weightage for that practicals is of 30 marks. In this way, 70 plus 30, 100 marks. But here now, this theory paper, again, this theory paper, it is divided into three parts. That is, now chemistry, it includes different three types of the branches. Here now, these 70 marks are divided into equal three parts. Here 70 markaचं equal 3 marks, 3 part मध्ये dividation करायचं आहे. Our syllabus includes different three branches of the chemistry. We are concerned with only three branches of the chemistry. There are many branches of the chemistry: organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, then after that pharmaceutical chemistry, analytical chemistry, industrial chemistry. There are such type of the many branches of chemistry, but we are concerned with only three branches, and that are here organic chemistry, then organic chemistry, it is also known as, in Marathi that is known as कार्बनी रसायनशास्त्र. कार्बनचे कंपाऊंड सगळे याच्यामध्ये येतील, सगळे कार्बन असणार आहे. देन सेकंड टाइप इज इनऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री. Here inorganic chemistry, we have to study all that compounds, non-carbon compounds, all that non-carbon compounds, and compounds obtained from earth crust. That is important. Sometimes they may contain carbon, because organic chemistry is a chemistry of carbon. All carbon containing compounds are included in this organic chemistry, but some compounds they contain carbon, but they are included in this inorganic chemistry because they are obtained from earth crust in the form of minerals. And then it is the first organic chemistry. And then third type is, one more is, that is physical chemistry. Here now, equal weightage to all these three chemistries. Now here organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry and physical chemistry. 70 मार्क आहेत. 30 मार्क, 100 मार्क्स केमिस्ट्री आहे, केमिस्ट्रीचा पेपर असेल, त्यापैकी 70 मार्क थेअरीचा पेपर असेल 12वीमध्ये, आणि 30 मार्काचे प्रॅक्टिकल्स असतील. प्रॅक्टिकल्सची लॅब वगैरे आता ज्यावेळेस आपलं महाविद्यालय सुरू होईल त्यावेळेस हे सगळे प्रॅक्टिकल्स वगैरे तुम्हाला केमिस्ट्रीची लॅब वगैरे हे सगळं बघता येईल आहे, सगळ्या पद्धतीने प्रॅक्टिकल्स होतील. देन ऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री, आता हे 70 मार्काला आपल्याला इक्वल डिव्हाइड करायचं आहे, तर ते होतं 23.3, पण पॉईंटमध्ये नाही डिव्हाइड, म्हणून हे 23 मार्क्स फॉर द ऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री. देन दिस इनऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री कॅरीज अगेन 23 मार्क्स, अँड हिअर दिस फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री दॅट कॅरीज 24 मार्क्स. म्हणजे 3 टाईपच्या केमिस्ट्रीशी आपला संबंध आहे. त्यातलं ऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री 23 मार्काचा असेल, इनऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री 23 मार्कासाठी आणि फिजिकल केमिस्ट्रीवरती 24 मार्काचे क्वेश्चन्स 12वीच्या बोर्ड एक्झाममध्ये असणार आहेत. Now it is regarding about the general information theory 70-30, and in these 70 marks they are divided into 3 parts, that is organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry. Organic chemistry carries 23 marks, here inorganic chemistry 23 marks and physical chemistry for 24 marks. Now today we are going to start here first chapter from that organic chemistry. Now here first of all I will teach this organic chemistry and then few portion of that inorganic chemistry. Okay, then today we are going to start here basic principles of first chapter from that organic chemistry, that is basic principles of organic chemistry. Now here first of all what is meant by chemistry? Chemistry, it is a branch of science which deals with the study of elements, their laws of combination. Elements, up till now 180 elements are discovered. We have to do the study of all that elements in this chemistry. Then study of elements, then their laws of combination. After combination of elements, they give compounds, but they combine in a fixed proportion. We have to do the study of all that laws. Then compounds, study of their compounds and their properties, physical properties, chemical properties and behavior. That is included in that chemistry. Now we will go to the organic chemistry first of all. Here, what is meant by organic chemistry? Here, it is important here. Organic chemistry. तुम्ही ज्यावेळेस व्हिडिओ लेक्चर बघायला बसणार आहात, दररोजच्या दररोज हे बघायचं आहे आणि जो काही मी पार्ट तुम्हाला सांगणार आहे, लिहिणार आहे, हा पार्ट तुम्हाला लगेचच लिहायचा आहे. घरी लगेचच एक चांगलं एक मोठी 200 पेजेसची एक नोटबुक केमिस्ट्रीसाठी तयार करा. हे जे दररोज शिकवतं हे लिहिलं गेलं पाहिजे, त्याचा अभ्यास झाला पाहिजे, ते पाठ झाला पाहिजे. ओके, नाव हियर ऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री, इट इज अ केमिस्ट्री ऑफ कार्बन. It deals with the study of carbon compounds. It deals with the study of carbon compounds. Now see here, it deals with the study of carbon compounds, or the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of carbon compounds, that is known as organic chemistry. Carbon असणार आहे. Now for example here, methane, CH4, it is a molecular formula of methane. Structural formula of methane is like this. Carbon is present at the center and 4 hydrogen atoms are attached to this carbon like this. It is methane. Methane is the first member of this alkane series. It is because it contains carbon. Therefore we have to do the study of this methane in this organic chemistry. तुम्हाला आता प्रत्येक कंपाऊंड असा ऑब्झर्व केला की तुम्हाला कळता समजायला पाहिजे की ह्या ऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्रीमध्ये स्टडी करायचं आहे याचं का इनऑर्गॅनिकमध्ये करायचं आहे. कार्बन असेल ऑर्गॅनिकमध्ये, कार्बन जर नसेल इनऑर्गॅनिकमध्ये. नाव हियर इट इज मिथेन. अनदर एक्झाम्पल इज CH2 double bond CH2. It is ethylene or ethene. It is also known as ethylene. Ethylene is the common name. Ethene is the IUPAC name. Then third one, acetylene, CH triple bond CH. It is acetylene, or it is also known as ethine. Ethine is the IUPAC name and acetylene is the common name. Each and every compound, they have two IUPAC and common name. हे सगळं आपल्याला नंतर मी तुम्हाला कॉमन नेम्स कशी तयार केली जातात, IUPAC नेम्स कशी येतात हे पाठ करायची गरज नाही, हे लिहिता आली पाहिजे आम्हाला. येतील, नक्की लिहिता येतील. देन नाव मिथेन, हिअर इथिन, ॲसिटिलीन, दीज आर द एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाऊंड्स ॲज दे कंटेन कार्बन ॲटम्स. देअरफॉर वी हॅव टू डू द स्टडी ऑफ ऑल दीज कंपाऊंड्स इन दिस ऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री, बिकॉज केमिस्ट्री, इट इज ऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री इज द केमिस्ट्री ऑफ कार्बन कंपाऊंड्स. हिअर now it contains single carbon atom and all single bonds, therefore it is known as alkane. I think already you have studied alkanes, alkenes, alkynes in 10th standard. Here it is methane, it is an alkane, example of alkane. It is ethylene, it is an example of alkene. And CH triple bond CH, it is an example of alkyne. Now here suppose I have replaced one of the hydrogen atom with another group like this CH3OH. Now it is methanol or methyl alcohol. Here see carefully here, all these compounds, methane, ethene, acetylene. In all these compounds carbon is present, and in combination with carbon hydrogen is also present. Therefore the definition of this organic chemistry, that is, it deals with the carbon compound, this concept now it became old. Now the modern concept of the chemistry is that because carbon is present, in addition to that carbon or with that carbon always hydrogen is present. Therefore the new concept of or new definition of the chemistry is, or modified definition of the organic chemistry is that it deals with the study of hydrocarbons. It deals with the study of hydrocarbons. Now what is in by hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons, this word itself indicates its definition. ह्याची डेफिनेशन ह्याच्यातच आहे, हायड्रोकार्बन्स, कंपाउंड्स ऑफ हायड्रोजन अँड कार्बन ओनली, or compounds of carbon and hydrogen. That type of the compounds are known as hydrocarbons, or the compounds which contains only carbon and hydrogen atoms are known as hydrocarbons. Here therefore study of hydrocarbons, it deals with the study of carbon compounds. That definition now it is a modern definition that is to be converted into the modern definition like this. It deals with the study of the study of hydrocarbons, and now see here, and their derivatives. Derivatives means now the compounds which are derived, the compounds. Now here it is a structure of methane. See here now, hydrocarbons, all these are nothing but the examples of methane, ethene, acetylene are the examples of hydrocarbons. But here hydrocarbons and their derivatives means, now here suppose it is a structure of methane, CH4 is the structure of methane, and I have replaced this hydrogen atom with OH group, and now it is methanol or methyl alcohol. Again this compound, it is not now, be careful here, now see carefully here. It is not hydrocarbon, but it is organic compound. Why? Because it contains carbon atom, and it is not example of hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbons are those compounds which contain only carbon and hydrogen atom. These are the examples of hydrocarbons. But it is known as organic compound. Here we have to do now it is a derivative, but such type of the compounds also we included in this organic chemistry. Instead of this OH, we can take here CH3NH2 methyl amine. It is methanamine, or it is methyl amine, methyl alcohol, methylamine. Here now suppose we have replaced this hydrogen atom with chlorine, then it is methyl CH3 group, that is known as methyl chloride. Now here these are the hydrocarbons, but these are the derivatives of hydrocarbons. Why derivatives? Derivatives means they are derived by doing the changes in these hydrocarbons. They are म्हणजे हे जे कंपाउंड्स आहेत हे कशापासून डिराईव्ह केले आपण किंवा मिळवले, या हायड्रोकार्बन्समध्ये थोडाफार बदल करून जे नवीन कंपाउंड आपण मिळवतोय, दॅट इज नोन ॲज डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. देअरफॉर we have to do the study of all these compounds also in organic chemistry. Therefore study of hydrocarbons, now the modern concept or modern definition of the organic chemistry is that study of hydrocarbons and then derivatives is known as organic chemistry. जिथं जिथं कार्बन असणारा कंपाऊंड असेल, तुम्ही ऑब्झर्व करायचं तुमच्या भोवती असणारे सगळे कंपाऊंड्स, हा ऑर्गॅनिक असेल काही इनऑर्गॅनिक असेल. कार्बन नसेल इनऑर्गॅनिक, कार्बन असेल ऑर्गॅनिक. हा एक जनरल. देन आफ्टर दॅट it is regarding about the definition of organic chemistry. It deals with the study of carbon compounds, or it deals with the study of hydrocarbons and their derivatives. For example, again methane, ethylene, acetylene, methanol, methylamine, methyl chloride, all these are nothing but the organic compounds. Now then after that we will see the definition of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons, then after that definition of definition of that organic compounds. Here now hydrocarbons means what? Hydrocarbons, here hydrocarbons, the word hydrocarbon itself represents or itself indicates its definition. Carbon and hydro, compounds of carbon, compounds of carbon and hydrogen, compounds of carbon and hydrogen are known as hydrocarbons. या डेफिनेशन्स तुम्हाला पाठ झाल्या पाहिजेत. सब सिंपल डेफिनेशन आहे. कंपाऊंड्स ऑफ कार्बन अँड हायड्रोजन आर नोन ॲज हायड्रोकार्बन्स. तसं मी तुम्हाला या नोट्स, तुम्ही सुद्धा रफूवरती हे सगळं वहीमध्ये लिहून काढायचं आहे. मी सुद्धा तुम्हाला नोट्स देणार आहे नंतर. कंपाऊंड्स ऑफ कार्बन अँड हायड्रोजन आर नोन ॲज हायड्रोकार्बन्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, here is methane, CH4, methane, it is example of hydrocarbon. Ethane, CH3, C bond C, CH3, here it is ethane. Then another one is CH2, double bond CH2, ethene. These are the examples of hydrocarbons. We can write one more example like this. CH, triple bond CH, it is again ethyne, it is also example of hydrocarbon. Benzene, that is aromatic compound, that is also example of hydrocarbon. The structure of benzene is like this. Benzene, C6H6, the molecular formula of the benzene is C6H6 and the structural formula is like this. Here is alternate double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, and each carbon atom is attached to this benzene ring like this. It is a structural formula of benzene, or in short we can write like this. It is a structure of benzene. This benzene is also an example of hydrocarbon. हे सुद्धा हायड्रोकार्बनचं एक्झाम्पल आहे, बेंझीन. नाउ इट इज रिगार्डिंग अबाउट द हायड्रोकार्बन्स. दे कंटेन ओनली कार्बन अँड हायड्रोजन ॲटम्स. दे कंटेन ओनली हायड्रोजन अँड कार्बन ॲटम्स. नाउ हियर देन व्हॉट इज बाय कंपाऊंड्स? What is by compounds? These are the hydrocarbons. Now then after that another definition is of that. Compounds. They are formed. Compounds, they are formed due to the compounds which are formed due to the combination of compounds they are formed. Compounds are formed due to the combination of two or more elements. Due to the combination of two or more elements are known as compounds. They are formed due to the combination of two or more. For example, now here H2O. Example, H2O, it is a compound. It is formed due to the combination of only two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. H2O. Then H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Then here all these elements, methane, CH4. These are the, now see here, H2O, H2SO4, they do not contain carbon atom. Therefore, H2SO4, it is known as inorganic acid. Sulfuric acid is known as H2SO4. That is the name of that H2SO4 is sulfuric acid, and it is inorganic acid. Why inorganic acid? Because it does not contain carbon atom in this structure. Therefore, it is known as inorganic acid. It is also inorganic molecule. Carbon, CH4, methane, it is organic compound. It is organic compound. Methane, methanol. C2H5OH, ethanol, again it is organic compound. This such type of the compounds are formed due to the combination of two or more elements. Here now in the structure of this H2SO4, how many elements are there? Different types of the three elements, hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen is there. But how many atoms? Atoms are different. Atoms means there are two atoms of hydrogen, one atom of sulfur and 4 atoms of oxygen atoms. 4 plus 1 of the sulfur, 5 plus 2 hydrogen, 7. It is a heptaatomic molecule. ह्याच्यामध्ये 7 atom आहेत. It is a H2O. It contains two types of the elements, hydrogen, oxygen, but it is a triatomic molecule. Why triatomic molecule? Because it contains 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. It is regarding about the compounds. Now remaining part, organic compounds, then saturated compounds, unsaturated compounds, that much part we shall discuss in the next period. Today we stop here. Thank you. आणि सगळ्यांनी हा व्हिडिओ बघितल्यानंतर सबस्क्राईब तर करायचं आहे, आणि म्हणजे तुम्हाला पुढचा व्हिडिओ आल्यानंतर लगेचच लक्षात येईल. आणि हे सगळा पार्ट जे मी लिहितोय, हे सांगतोय, हा व्हिडिओ पुन्हा पुन्हा बघायचा आहे आणि तुमच्या वहीमध्ये रफ नोटबुकमध्ये हे सगळं एक नोटबुक तयार करा आणि हे सगळं लिहून घ्यायचं आहे. ओके, टुडे वी स्टॉप हिअर. थँक्यू.